In today's video, I will guide you through the process of locking individual WhatsApp chats on your iPhone for added privacy. By using this method, you can enhance the security of your private conversations while maintaining easy access when needed. Once you have locked them, your chats will be sorted into a designated locked chats folder kept apart from your other conversations. To access them, you will need to verify your identity through methods like your phone passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint. To enable the chat lock feature, start by opening WhatsApp on your iPhone. Next, find the chat that you want to lock and access its info section. Look for the option labeled Chat Lock. Simply tap on Lock this chat with Face ID and confirm it with your Face ID. Now you have successfully activated the chat lock. Once a chat is locked, the content of notifications and the associated contact will remain hidden. It's important to note that you can also apply this lock to group chats and chats that you have muted. To access your locked chats, go to the Chats tab and pull down to reveal the locked chats folder. Now confirm your identity using Face ID. Then tap on the chat you wish to read or respond to. If you decide to disable the chat lock for a specific conversation, just go to the chat info, click on chat lock and simply toggle it off and confirm the action using your Face ID. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.